imagePROGRAF. The CAD model enters its second generation. Fastest high-volume printing in the series. TZ-5320. Continuous printing of drawings at up to 4 ppm. Press print and it wakes quickly from sleep mode. To print in as fast as 19 seconds. To get prints quickly when you need them. Newly designed image processing for brighter colors. And magenta ink with outstanding reproduction. To print sharply reproduced drawings with clear color lines and text. And vivid posters, renderings, office displays, and more. Simple to operate just by loading the paper roll. The printer automatically feeds the paper and estimates remaining paper on roll. Faster feeding reduces roll setting time by about 30% from the previous model. The built-in multi-sensor detects paper width and type, and the printer automatically goes to ready state. Drawings and posters can be removed from the top delivery tray with a natural posture. The ink sensing system regularly monitors ink ejection status. During printing, the printer automatically maintains optimal ink placement positions for consistent quality. Color calibration corrects variations in printed colors due to printer differences and changes over time. Even with repeated printings, or with multiple printers in different locations, stable reproduction is possible. MFP solution is provided. Quickly scan large documents in high definition. A system controller with large touchscreen monitor allows image editing features such as deskew and cropping to be performed on the preview screen. Power consumption during operation is reduced by approximately 29% from previous model. No EPS is used in printer packing materials. For large offices and print service providers, supporting large volume printing of drawings, renderings, posters, and more. Production model TZ-5320MFP. TZ-5320.